What's going on YouTube? In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can use Excel's find or find and replace feature to search through the entire workbook as opposed to a specific worksheet. So whenever you do Control F to find something, for example, the name Jared in this sheet Sales West, and you click Find All, it's only going to find one value because it is only looking in the sheet that we're in right now. But the thing is that the name Jared is in both Sales West and Sales East. So to have it search through the entire workbook instead, you can click on this Options tab right here. And you're going to want to adjust what it searches within. So you want to search for the same thing, but have it search within not just the sheet, but the entire workbook instead. Now when you click Find All, it finds the name Jared in both Sales East and Sales West. So it's searching the entire workbook now. And yeah, one thing to note quickly too is that you can adjust kind of how it searches through stuff too. So you can have it search by rows or by columns, and you can also adjust where it searches. So you can have it look in formulas, but also formulas, values, notes, and comments. You can also have it match a case or match entire cell contents, and you can adjust the formatting too that it looks for. But those are things I'm going to expand on in some other videos. But I just want to show you how you can have it look in the entire workbook as opposed to a specific worksheet, which can make your life much easier if you are looking, if you have like a name of something and you're looking through an entire workbook instead. I hope you found this to be useful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.